Tell whether the lines are perpendicular, parallel, or neither. And this is page 1011-9. Now, I'm not going to do this whole problem for you because I just made a video on finding slopes of lines. So what I want you to do on 9 is go ahead and find the two slopes. And then we're going to write down those two slopes. Now, let me give you all the chances they could be. Let's see, one slope could be some number, say 3. And the other slope could be, and let's say that's the first slope. And then if the second slope comes out to be 3, then they're the same slope, and then that would mean the lines are parallel. Okay, if the first slope is 3 again, and the second slope is -1/3, then that would mean that they are perpendicular. And a test for whether slopes are perpendicular is if you take the two slopes and you multiply them together. If you get a -1, that means that they are perpendicular. In class, sometimes I like to say that they are flipped over opposite signs. So let's do a few of those just to make sure that you know what I mean when I say flipped over opposite signs. So if one slope is -1/2, a perpendicular slope would be 2. If one slope is -3/4, a perpendicular slope would be 4/3. If one slope is 1/7, a perpendicular slope would be -7. Get it? Flipped over opposites. Or when you are multiplying together, they all equal -1. Now the third thing they could be is if the first slope is some number like 3, and the second slope is some number like 1/3. When we multiply those together, that just equals +1. So therefore those are neither.